Welcome to Awesome Care. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use Anonsurf on Kali Linux. We are going to download it, install it, and run it and use it. So it can be used for anonymous surfing. We can go to Anonsurf page, which is hosted on GitHub, and we can clone get the link to clone from here, and we are going to use we can type on terminal git clone and paste the URL and just hit enter, and it's cloned to our system. We can do the listing of current directory and look for the directory, and so over here we need to cd into that directory. So we are just moving into this folder over here. Copy the name and paste, and inside this directory I'm just gonna do ls again, and we need to run this installer .sh script to install it. So we're gonna do sudo installer .sh and just hit enter. You need to enter your password. So installation is complete. uh, Before we run an Anonsurf, we are going to check our IP. Let me clear this. So we are going to first look up our IP address, the public one. You can choose any site. We can show you your public IP address, and this is the current address for my. And now we are just going to run on Anonsurf, and then we are going to look up our IP address again, if it's changed or not. So let's go back to our terminal and just do ls so we know we have the one to run. And we can just type in Anonsurf and check the status. And we can see the status is inactive, so it's not started yet. We can do Anonsurf and do start and just hit enter. It requires sudo, so we're gonna do sudo. Okay. So now the Anonsurf is running. We are going to look up our IP address again if it's changed.